Hi guys, Stephen Fennick here to show you the new iPhone 4S. Now, it looks very similar to the iPhone 4, nearly identical. There's only one small difference. You'll notice there's a line on the top of the middle band here and on the other side. That's because the iPhone 4S has two antennas and it can switch between them during a call. So one's for sending, one's receiving. So just makes that reception just a little bit better. It's also got a GSM and a CDMA antenna built in as well. The other main differences are for the iPhone 4S, it's got a faster A5 processor. It's the same processor found in the iPad 2. And it's also got an improved camera. It's got an 8 megapixel camera with an improved sensor and optics, and includes a lot of features you'll find on a dedicated digital camera like face recognition, image stabilization, shoots full high definition video, which is really good quality. But the main focus of this video is going to be the new feature called Siri, which is the digital voice assistant. Let's check it out. What time is it in San Francisco?
The time in San Francisco, CA, US is 10:03 p.m.
So you may have heard it replied to us in an Australian accent. So the iPhone 4S is sold in Australia will have that Australian accent. So it's part of your setup and it'll know your location. It'll also give you that accent. So we can speak to it in our normal accent and it will talk to us in our normal accent. But let's ask it another question. When is Barack Obama's birthday?
Let me think about that. I found this for you.
So it's come up with a result here, Friday, August the 4th, 1961. Now, this information is from a company called Wolfram Alpha, which Apple has gone into partnership with, and they're kind of like a Wikipedia type service that's got all this information for this kind of service. But let's press on and give it a bit more of a test. Let's set a reminder. Set reminder for Friday at 8 a.m.
Okay, just tell me what you want to be reminded about.
iPhone.
Here's your reminder for this Friday at 8 a.m. Shall I create it?
Yes. So now it's gone
I'll
ahead.
Remind you.
It's put that in my reminders for Friday morning at 8 a.m, which is actually the time the iPhone 4S goes on sale at Apple stores across Australia. But we can also set calendar entries and ask about the weather. Let's ask, will I need a raincoat tomorrow?
Let's check the weather in Botany Bay. It doesn't look like it's going to rain tomorrow.
So it's gone off and checked the weather for tomorrow. Forecast for tomorrow is a sunny day, so it says it's not going to rain. So it answered my question. Doesn't look like rain, so I won't be needing that raincoat. But let's set let's use it for like finding other information, or you can even use it for if you need to do a quick conversion, for example. How many centimeters in 12 inches? So it's thinking about it.
About that.
It's thinking.
Okay, here goes.
Here it is. It's given us an answer. 12 inches to centimeters, 30.48 centimeters. So this kind of conversion can be used even while you're traveling. Say if you want to do a currency conversion. What's $150 in US currency?
Let me check that for you. This might answer your question.
Here we go. It's given us the 150 US Australian to US is $149.51. So it's got today's currency quote. Based on that, it's given us that answer. So it's a great way for not only finding out information, doing conversions on the fly, setting your reminders. It can even set a timer. Let's set a timer. Set timer for 5 minutes.
It's set for 4:11 p.m.
It's actually set an alarm for me, which I'll turn off. It didn't hear me properly, so it's set an alarm rather than a timer. But let's go back and get the timer happening. Set timer for 5 minutes.
Your timer is set for 5 minutes.
There we go. We've got a countdown already started. And all we need to do actually is go tap the screen to go into the timer. And then here we can cancel it, pause it. We can even change the alert tone. Here we're going to cancel it. So that's just another example. But you can also ask you to access the content on your phone, like for your music, for example. Play Take Me Over by Cut Copy.
Playing Take Me Over.
You can hear the music already started. So using Siri, it's accessed the song that we want to hear straight away. And if you actually go out of that and into the music part of the phone there, you'll see that the album art's there, the song's playing, Take Me Over by Cut Copy. So it's also a DJ. Let's send a text message. Tell Aaron I'll be home soon.
Here's
So
the message to Aaron.
it's already composed the message,
Ready to send
sending
it.
it to Aaron. Send.
Okay, I'll send your message.
And it's sending the message. Siri can also be used to compose text messages and emails. So it can take dictation. So rather than you using the keyboard, there's a little microphone button here on the bottom row of the keyboard. Once you hit that, the microphone will be activated, and you just need to say what you want to be typed. So it'll take your voice and convert it to text. So let's give it a try. Hi, it was great to see you today. I'll talk to you soon. And there it is. It's actually typed out. Hi, it was great to see you today. I'll talk to you soon. It's got every word right. Now we can just put the address for the person that needs to be sent to and hit send. So it's a great way to, rather than having to type if you're behind the wheel of a car, if you're disposed you can't really use the keyboard. It's just another example of how you can use Siri to take dictation.